Hello and welcome to my channel for recipes and instructions. See bottom page. Golden coconut curry, chicken with fragrant basmati rice. Why you'll love it? A rich velvety curry that balances warmth from toasted spices with the creamy comfort of coconut milk. Tender chicken and golden potatoes soak up all that flavor while fragrant basmati rice rounds out the dish. Finished with fresh herbs and creamy avocado, it's a feast for the senses.
Instruction of the curry chicken. Toast the spice, grind the cloves and allspice in a mortar and pestle. Heat olive oil in a medium pot over low medium heat. Add the ground spice along with the turmeric, masala, curry powder and onions. Gently saute until the chicken fills with a warm fragrance. Build the curry base. Add the diced tomato to the pot. Stir to the coat with the spice. Once lightly fragrant, stir the chicken and cook until it picks up the color and the spice. Let simmer. Pour in the coconut milk and water. Then add the bay leaf and cinnamon stick. Stir gently, cover and let the curry simmer on low-medium heat for about an hour and a half. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Season with sea salt to taste. Let's cook the rice. Meanwhile, in the small pot, combine rice, water, bay leaf and cinnamon stick. Cover and cook over low heat for 17 minutes until fluffy and aromatic. Let's plate this dish. Press the rice into a ring mold on the plate. Then spoon the golden curry around it. Top with creamy avocado slice and scatter fresh herb over the dish. Serve warm and fragrant. This is a tip, the chef tip. This dish celebrates balance, heat and cream, comfort and fragrance. The avocado garnish might seem unconventional, but its cool creaminess and makes the spice sing.